If you want to add your Threads badge to your Instagram bio or Instagram profile in general, you are in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, we need to open Instagram and then go to your profile by tapping the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you are in your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen right here. Now tap on Threads. It will take you to the screen. Tap on Open Threads in the bottom. It will take you to the Threads app and you'll be connected to your Threads account. Now from here, tap on the Instagram icon right here in the top. It will take you back to your Instagram profile and you should find the Threads badge right here, something that looks like this. Now if you have deleted your Threads badge before and removed it, you cannot get it back in any way currently, but you can do something about it. Let's see how. First, tap right in the top right corner and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Help, tap on Report a Problem without shaking, and then tap on Include and Continue. From here, describe your problem and tell them basically that you cannot have your badge back and you want the problem fixed. And then tap on Send and they should get back to you in a short period of time. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.